Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and you can see I have something to flaunt. Yes, this is a big hamper which I got from Itsy Bitsy. Yes, I have a lot of new supplies which I have added, and yes, you are going to see a lot of tutorial. Now, let me just take you through that what all is there in this amazing kit, and yes. So first of all, to start with, here is a tray which is in a huge size tray. Like, I literally had to fit my camera on a little more height because I was not able to fit everything here in this. Now, the next thing what I absolutely loved from their store are these filament decoupage papers. I have never ever tried that, so I just thought using this is going to be really interesting. So yes, I absolutely love this print, and I love blue color. So yes. Then I added the stencil, and this is looking beautiful, and there are so many ways in which we can use these stencils. Then, so this is the decoupage napkin. So if you just go through the Itsy Bitsy, you will see a lot of supplies, like from mixed media to decoupage art, from silicone molds to colors and sprays and everything. So yeah, there is a huge collection of supplies what they have in their store. Now these are the two silicone molds which I have picked, and one is a bigger one, the other one is a smaller one, and the variations what we can come up with these supplies are amazing. Now, chipboards are one of my all-time favorites. I have been loving them since the day I've started crafting. So yeah, there are so many ways in which you can use these chipboards, and of course you'll be seeing a lot on my YouTube channels now. Now this is a craft cement. I was so excited to try this out, and this is a quite big jar, so I'm just thinking of making a lot of new decor pieces with this. So yes, of course you will have to stay tuned to my channel to see all the tutorials of these supplies. Now this is a Deco Magic, and this is a decoupage glue which is used for all your project wherever you are doing your decoupage work. Then what I added from the store was the flakes, and I absolutely love gliding, so I just thought having these two shades of flakes is going to be interesting. Of course, with this I needed to try my hands on gilding glue and gilding paste. So isn't it exciting? Do let me know in the comment section if any of these are your favorite supplies. Then next is the heavy gel. One is the matte and the other one is glossy. So yes, these are the two mediums which I love, because when you are doing your mixed media art you need these supplies. These are like a must supply for you. Then what I have also picked up is a texture paste. Doing mixed media art without texture is just impossible, and gesso is required for prepping up your base. So yeah, this is also there. Now the next thing what I have added from the store is this decor varnish. This is a must to seal up your projects. The variations what you get with all the varnishes are different, so yeah, this one is really going to be interesting. Of course, chalk paint was something which I had to add, so I have picked up two of the shades because I already have a couple of shades from their store, so I'm going to try my hands. And last but not the least, these are the metallic waxes. If you have not checked my YouTube channel, so do check that, because you will already see me doing a lot of things with these supplies. So yes, thank you so much for watching this, and stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.